second fan that's in my room at the Homewood Suites in Northwest Indianapolis. It's the same fan, Monte Carlo. And where is it on this one? Okay, is it? It's right there. Yep. And it has the same pole chain, same light bulbs as before. Well, we'll get it started right away. Here is the light. Yep, it's using the same incandescence. And here's low. Oops, that's reverse. That's reverse. Want forward. Anyways, here's low now. Thankfully, this one doesn't make any noise. The one in the other room. Alright, medium speed. So this one goes a bit faster than the other one, I think. The one in the other room went a bit slower on medium. Actually, you might hear a bit of noise on this one too. Alright, here's high. This one does wobble a bit as well. You can hear some noise on it too. Similar noise as the other one. Alright, spin down time. Okay, let's just reverse it. Reverse switch is difficult to get on that one because I have to get on the bed. The other one was a bit easier. Alright, come to a complete stop. Here's reverse. And yeah, we're getting ready to leave. We are packing today. So I'm just doing the videos now before we leave. Alright, here's medium. And here's high. And yet again, we'll have the light and fan on at the same time with high reverse. Alright. No. Turn this off. Stop it by hand. And we will do a 0 to high. Ah, silly me. Forgot to reverse it again. Sorry about that. I forgot to reverse again. Alright, try this again. Here is 0 to high. Yeah, it seems to make the noise on forward than it does on reverse. You don't really hear the noise on reverse. Anyways, we'll turn it off now. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching.